Hi guys, and welcome to Techfurb. So for today's episode, we're going to be checking out part 2 of the ESXi build. So this machine you might remember from last fortnight. 755 board. I've mounted the old board as a plinth up on the wall up there. I don't know whether you can see that in shot. But today is going to be a continuation of that. Now, I'm very sorry in that you won't get to see the software install. That would take literally days to do. It took a very long time to get this going. But I'm going to show you the finished product. So, to give you a rundown of the system, it is now running a Core 2 Duo 3GHz. It's an E8400. It's running 8GB of DDR2 RAM and 80GB and a 160GB hard drive. So, basic specs aside, it's also as well second NIC. So that's the specs. What we'll do is we'll go in and I'm going to hook this up downstairs, and I will show you the software that's running on it. So,
hi guys, welcome back. So the machine is now plugged in downstairs, and what we're going to do is we're going to remote in using VMware tools. So to kind of recap for everyone, so basically the whole exercise of this was to run VMware's ESXi, which is a free hypervisor if you didn't know what it is. The whole idea was to run that on the lowest possible hardware I can get away with. And this machine has handled whatever I've thrown at it. You know, it's handled like 4 or 5 different VMs at the same time, which is realistically all you're going to really need to run on a machine like this. If you want to run 20 or 30 machines, you really need a real server that, you know, costs several $1,000s. But that's not what this is for. This is just meant to be a web server, and maybe, you know, like a download manager and a couple of different things, which is what it's running now. So let's go ahead, let's dive into it. I'm going to run some screen recordings and do some voiceovers. Okay guys, so we're just having a look at the VM now, and we're just going to go to the summary tab here. So basically, this is kind of an overview of the entire machine. So at the moment it's not really using much CPU, it's only using 300 MHz, which is basically just the idle. Memory usage is, you know, less than 50%. It's got 8GB capacity there. Then we have the data stores here, so it's a 160GB and an 80GB. Kind of give you a concept of what that looks like. You're going to right click on these guys, go browse data store, and this is where all the different files are sitting. So web server, that's a virtual machine folder, and that's pfSense is also the same thing. That's just a Windows ISO file, and images, it's basically where more ISOs are. Then, you know, you can kind of upload files and do different things in here, but we'll cover that at a different video, I guess. Then moving on from this configuration, this is kind of the networking side here. So basically what we've got is VMNIC 00 and VMNIC 1. O is basically running, these are running on physically 2 separate networks, so one has its own, 2 separate internet connections, 2 separate networks, the whole deal. And basically one is kind of running a download machine on its own little independent network. It cannot see anything else on the other NIC or network. I haven't got a switch bridging between the two of them. They're physically separated, even though they're on the same machine. So this is kind of the magic of hypervisors, and why this is the product that I wanted to use over, say, VM hypervisor in Windows, because you do not have this level of control over what happens. Just ESXi just blows away anything I've used so far as a hypervisor. If there's better things out there, I'm quite open to try them, and just leave a comment in the suggestions. Leave a suggestion in the comments. So moving on from this, this is the pfSense box at the moment. That's kind of powered down. There's not a lot of interesting, not a very big hard drive. I haven't done much with that. You know, it's kind of the RAM's allocated. You can actually get quite crazy with how you allocate the settings in this. So if I go to edit settings and resources, in here you can actually limit how much megahertz per CPU and core it has. The RAM I've got, it's unlimited, but if I wanted to be a dick, I could just kind of, oh sorry, that's not the RAM, that's the CPU usage. I can limit how much it uses. Memory, same deal. Disk, same deal. I can reduce the amount of IOPS it uses. And this one allows me to actually select which core I want it to run on. So it can get stupidly complex if you want it to be. So there's that, and then so this box is currently running at the moment. It would just be at idle, so we just kind of click there. Yeah, it's not signed in. This is just a Windows box. I won't waste too much time on that. That's just my download box. And this one here is the important one. So this is the web server. So it's running Linux Mint, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to pop in a password here. So just bear with. And alright, we're in. So basically I wasn't able to install what's called VMware Tools, which is kind of the drivers package. So this is running without any graphics drivers or things like that. But yeah, it's a nice little GUI. I could do this without a GUI, but I just could not be bothered at this stage. I'm quite happy to waste the resources for a GUI. And how it kind of works is it's running what's called Apache 2. So we go into terminal. Basically, I could go services, Apache 2, and let's say we want to restart that service because we can. Basically, it just kind of kicks the server over, gets it going. So if I made some sort of update, password, if we made some sort of update to it, then you know this would kind of push it through. So boring stuff aside, I guess I'll kind of show you where to put the files as well. So if I go into file system, and I think it's under var, yep, HTML. That's kind of where all the website files are hosted. So then if I decide I want to open a new screen, and I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of the new website. So let's go to, I can't really get to it from my network, so I'll just have to go to local server, but just go to that local IP. This is the new website. So basically kind of all the different things in here. And that is actually being hosted off that VM in there. So if you hit Techfurb, www.techfurb.com, it will, hit the web server externally through the HTTP routing on the router, and that's kind of the magic of it. Hi guys, so welcome back. So just to kind of wrap things up for the rest of kind of finalise this series. Basically, I'm quite happy with the results. I was a bit hesitant going into this one. I didn't know whether a server of this age would actually run ESXi, because it does require certain virtualization technologies which were kind of not really there for Core 2s, and it kind of shows in there's some 64-bit machines that I can't actually run in ESXi with this machine, which is a little bit annoying. So I'm kind of restricted to 32-bit only, but that is completely fine. So it does everything I kind of need it to do. So to kind of give you a summary, basically I was able to get a Windows VM running for downloads or whatever I needed to be. I was able to get a web server running on it, and I can also get a PFSense box running on it to do a VPN. It would be just open VPN basically, which would allow me to get into the network, do stuff on it, etc., etc. And mostly good things. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope this video has kind of informed you. Give it a like if you liked it, give it a dislike if you hated it, that's fine, and leave a comment if you've got a suggestion for a new video, any criticisms, negative or positive. I'm not going to get butthurt if you're getting upset at me because I've made shit content. That's perfectly fine. If you don't like my content, please tell me. And yeah, just any feedback in general, guys. So thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.